Hello vacuums are us and Sewing 2 fans. So I was rewatching some of our earlier videos and I noticed that I started these videos as how to make a vacuum and sewing store. And then I turned it into birth of a vacuum and sewing store, which I think is a lot catchier. Anyway, here's our update. So we are actually ready to merchandise now. Our painting is complete. We got our slat board up, little holes in the floor patched. We were able to get these windows cleaned that were tinted before. You couldn't even see in here. So you can't tell because it's dark out, but windows got cleaned. Our track lighting was put in. We've got track lighting up here as well in our showroom windows, which will be cool. Driving by, you'll get to see in here to the sewing showroom, and the other windows will display some vacuums. Still got one pane of glass we got to replace over there. We had a cracked window. It's really close to the street here. You can almost see, it's really close to the street. When the snow plows go by, they throw up a lot of stuff. But it's looking great. Flat wall's up. Over here is going to be where all our notions are. There'll be a bunch of notions here, a bunch of notions up there. This is your sewing showroom. We still got to get the IT closet wired out. Our IT infrastructure is kind of strewn all over the place, but that won't be so bad. And then this over here is your vacuum showroom. And got our point of sale cash wrap set up as well, so those are good to go. And that's what we got. That's what it looks like. Next video, you will most likely see us either building out the tech areas in the back, which haven't been worked on yet, or you may see us starting to merchandise. We actually already have some inventory that's starting to drop here, and next week we'll have some pretty significant deliveries because we are weeks away from opening at this point, so it's push time.